to her talk. Like that.
Okay.
Yeah, he trying to use that paw. Y'all could share. Y'all could share. Sissy!
No, ma'am.
Sissy! Sissy! It's the way she's talking.
Look at her. Watch it. Don't you do that. Okay. Please.
Can you share, Sissy?
You're such a badass.
Sissy Blevins! Sissy!
She's just taunting.
Yes! Sissy Blevins! That's not very ladylike.
Compton!
Sissy Blevins, you better share. Look at him. Look at him.
I know. I'll bust her ass.
He's looking at you like, Daddy, she being ugly. Sissy, he can play too.
He's trying. Okay.
Trying to get it. I have never seen her act like that.
He's doing his damage.
He's got that paw on his face. What is he doing?
They're fighting over it.
He's using his weight. Oh, has he got it? There we go. Sissy got it?
Yeah.
See, you're using your paw. That's not fair. What are you
Trying
doing?
to suffocate him.
Damn! Oh my god! Oh my god! Watch! I'm crying. I'm laughing so hard. Hang on, split up for a minute.
Get the turtle.
Here.
She'll hold it in her mouth and growl at him.
Watch her. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her. No, she'll talk. She talks about it. Little M. Watch her.
Well, she was grunting.
Oh, she was giving it what's what. And using those back
And
legs.
then he does this, and then she climbs on his head.
Oh.
I'm surprised it's still in one piece.
I was laughing so hard.
Look at her.
Here she goes. Oh. Sissy. She's mean as fire.
Look at her. It's going on for 15 minutes now.
Yes. Y'all share
I
that
think they're tired
toy.
finally. Oh, she was growling.
Oh my, I got a
barking.
video. She was.
He's gun shy. He tries to use his feet.
Yeah, he tries to use his feet. There we go. Watch it. she'll get it too. She's a little diva. Get it, Sissy.
You tired now? No.
Get it, Sissy. Let me have that. Let me have that. Stitch, you big bully. She's still hanging in there, though. Oh, look how she was using something while I was dying laughing. She was grunting on top of him. Look at her.
Put that paw on your face.
Okay, so the turtle's gone.
Where is
Nope,
it?
she got it back.
She got it back.
No, he's got it back.
Oh, Sissy, be careful. Don't bite him. Are y'all tired? This is better than the...
Hey, quit.
No bites. Look at him back. She gets that.
Now she's using her feet.
She's trying to get up. There we go. Sissy. Oh, get that turtle. Get that turtle. God.
Over a damn quarter turtle.
Yes.
But if you give them two of them, they're going to fight over one of them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're going to lay on her.
Stitch, she'll come the other side.
She got it.
All you see is his mouth. And take it. You two are going to be so tired. She's still fighting for it. She's like, I said I wanted the turtle. Just like brother and sister, though.
Hey! Just goes, I'm about to just swallow the damn thing and get it over with.
She don't give up. She does not give up, as little as she is. And he uses that paw.
He said, just back off.
Look at her, though.
Yeah.
She don't give up. She don't care how little she is. This has been going on at least 20 minutes.
Yeah, how about your down here?
It's like attitude. I want it. No, I want it. Who's going to give up? Is he giving up?
I think it's you know, hey.
I don't even know what you're fighting over. You're something else. You get E for effort. See? Oh, she got it again. Sissy, what? Oh my God, we laughed so hard.
No, it would have been bad because as hard as you sleep, you could have rolled over and had all over your.
Oh
I
yeah.
could have waken up and been in my beard.
Oh God.
Go. God, am I?
What is
Yeah,
it?
Mom, I don't have the turtle.
Where is it, Sissy?
Stance, that hurts my stomach.
Where is it? Now she's gonna tear the bed up. You two are something else.